Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist for FX Explained, and here we're going to take a look at the pound versus the US dollar, the cable spot FX rate. Well, we've had a really aggressive sell-off in here over the last week or so, market pushing significantly lower through multi supports, going back not from just this year but going through into Q4 of last year, and now just sitting above this 121.97 key support from early October last year, back into Brexit crisis, Brexit chaos levels in here for pound US dollar cable spot FX. And this is being driven primarily by US dollar strength rather than pound weakness, but nevertheless the pound also somewhat weak in here, and the dollar is strong because there's a thirst for US dollars in this chaotic times that we're in there during the COVID-19 crisis, the coronavirus chaos. We're seeing a rush into US dollar, a thirst for US dollars. In fact, the US dollar outpacing, doing better than the normal safe haven yen and Swiss franc. Dollar yen, dollar Swiss going higher more recently. There's a thirst globally for US dollars because of liquidity problems, liquidity risk in here. So US dollars are bid globally, meaning that we're strong demand for US dollars, and that's seen pound dollar suffer. The pound is also somewhat suffering in here is that we did have that intermeeting rate cut from the Bank of England last week, but there's potential for further easing, quantitative easing, maybe further rate cuts from the Bank of England, and that's also seen downside pressures on the pound, whereas the euro not suffering so much because really the ECB have got nowhere to go. The pound could still be cutting rates, so that has seen the pound play catch up on the downside. So pound dollar lower, pound weakness due to potential quantitative easing, potential in here for another rate cut, and then we're also seeing in here US dollar, broad US dollar strength. So that's seen the market cable plunging lower. I'd say 121.97 critical in here. We could easily see the market down over the next few days down towards 120 psychological, and this important September low in here at 119.58. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist for FX Explained. Please don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel. Why not take a trial, a free 7-day trial of the Market Chartist reports? Go to marketchartist.com. And then also, guys, please do be careful out there during these very difficult times, and have a great trading day.